Good morning and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. It's Monday. Did you enjoy your weekend? Was it too hot? I hope you all survived the heat. So here is the last t-shirt of my batch. Cooking is my superpower. And that note, all t-shirts that are currently available are available on the website. I finally finished that portion of the redesign and adding of the new shirts. Some cool shirts in there. All right. Last night was Sunday dinner night with Robin. I prepared my oven-baked barbecue ribs and my mac salad. All day effort, but totally worth it. Robin came in and she goes, a little bit of banter, blah, blah, blah. She goes, "Did you get a nap?" I'm like, "No." Uh-oh. She's like, "Well, why?" I was cooking. Then she went, "Oh, yeah. Oops." I know, so it was good. Plus, I got a bunch of cleaning done, and one thing about having a cat with white fur, everywhere. All right. All right. The ribs were excellent. They were St. Louis style. I used my barbecue sauce. When I post this up, I'm going to post up the rib recipe, which has the sauce recipe, but I'm also going to post up just the sauce recipe if that's all you want. The sauce is excellent. Yeah. All right, then I did my mac salad. It's unusual compared to what you normally get at a picnic or a grocery store There's a little bit of vinegar in it, a little bit of apple cider vinegar, which just makes it punchy. And it is not your typical mac salad. I'll have the recipe up for that as well. All right. Tonight, it's Monday. The Culinary Expedition continues. We're going to Vive la France. Yeah, we're going to France. I found a recipe that's definitely not your typical French cuisine, but it's definitely French. I'm going to not do the French, I'm going to just give you the English. Rich and creamy French shrimp. The word creamy. The French are known for their cream. All right, let's get to it. And the hardware's simple. Sauté pan. The medium saucepan I'm going to be putting the shrimp over egg noodles. And of course, my colander, aka strainer, is also, this is a different brand. I still got these at Winco, the shrimp, but they're like 1630. It's a really weird number. I think that's more of an economical thing, so they can do a more wider range of sizes in a pound. So 8 ounces of shrimp, but these are still pretty big. Kosher salt, black pepper, extra virgin olive oil, garlic, shallot. I won't be using this whole shallot. Dijon mustard, some butter. It wouldn't be French without butter. And of course, some heavy whipping cream and egg noodles. That's it. This is a simple meal. Simple, definitely simpler than yesterday, ingredient-wise. So I get a little bit of a break today. Yesterday was not difficult. I don't want you to think that. Yesterday was very easy. It's just ingredient intensive, especially the ribs, because you got all the different ingredients for the rub and the sauce. Because you know me, prep is therapy. I might make a shirt for that. But I think cooking is my therapy, kind of covers it all. All right. So on this Monday, I'm sorry, folks, you got to go back to work. Have a great day. eat great food, and have fun cooking.